Hey everybody, Andrew here from Web Trends Weekly. Today I want to do a dropshipping product highlight, and I would like to do a couple of these per week going forward. So if you want to see these, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Anyhow, this product came out in our July 18th newsletter. Anyhow, so what this product is it's essentially an all-in-one fast charging cable with like a magnetic tip, so it's interchangeable. You can go from lightning adapter to a USB-C to a micro, and that's essentially what you see here: iOS, Type C, and this is micro. So you have these interchangeable connectors here, and it's really cool. It definitely has a wow factor, and that's probably why this product sells so well. So if we go back and check the newsletter here, um, for example, we could actually see if the ad's still running as well. So we can click the ad. You'll see we'll go there, and it is. So the post is still up, though. So here's the ad posted March 29th. There's the video. And here's the engagement. Lots of engagement, lots of positive engagement, which is what you like to see. And as you can see, at the time this was posted, it had this many reviews and this many orders on the site. That's crazy. And it was averaging 920.9 units per day. So they were selling 920 of these a day. And average monthly revenue is around 35,360 US dollars. So this is bringing the vendor in 35,000 plus dollars per month. That is on a 66 cent to $1.90 per product. Now the 66 cents are for the adapters themselves, I believe. Like if you want just the plug, I think those are 66 cents, and these are about $1.90 to $1.70, I think. Um, but either way, that's insane revenue on this price point right here. So you can imagine you could sell this. You could probably mark this up to about $9.99, probably $12, because I mean they got free shipping too. But honestly, the free shipping route, you don't get tracking, which isn't typically good for your customer. You want something with tracking, so you'd probably go here to AliExpress standard shipping, which does come with the tracking, and it's going to add $1.92, which I mean, at the end of the day, not bad. And you mark this product up to like $9.99 or $12, or I don't know, maybe you do like $14.99. See what sells. See what people will buy this for. But at the end of the day, even paying this $1.92 in shipping, you can still have a pretty strong margin here and definitely make good profit, especially if you're selling hundreds of these per day. You can make very good money. And I think that's the case for the other countries as well. So let's just check the big four real quick. Let's check the UK. Um, the UK isn't bad. You would go here again for the standard shipping. Don't do the saver shipping. If a customer gets this on like October, that's just insane. Same thing for September. It's way too far out. October is way too far out. You really want this August 26th, $1.66. So that's okay too. Let's check Australia. Australia's a little more expensive here. But at the end of the day, you can sacrifice the 233 if it's going to make a customer happy. Or for the sake of Australian customers, I would probably go here for the e-packet, which is 13 to 20 days shipping. Yeah, it's going to eat another dollar out of your profit, but you're probably going to have a happier customer. So let's take a look at New Zealand as well. And again, the same thing, e-packet, 20 to 40 days. That's not too bad. This is even better. The China Post registered airmail right here, which does have tracking as well and is $1.56, so it's actually cheaper and it's faster shipping. Now, the last one we want to check is Canada. So, Canada is, 16 to 26 days for 334. That's going to be a little expensive. September 9th, it's just it's just too far out. It's just too long of a shipping time. Right now is July 31st. So if a customer gets it on September 9th, it's just a little too far out for this product. It's not typically as big of a deal if they're not spending a lot of money. For example, if this is like a $9.99 product, they're not going to really care if it takes like 4 weeks to get to them. But September 9th is just stretching it a little bit. That's like making it 5 weeks. So I would opt to spend, an additional 30 cents. You might as well at that point spend the additional 30 cents for e-packet for the 16 to 26 days. At the end of the day, it's just going to be a happier customer. So that's it for the big four. And honestly, you can kind of run through that for every single place you're shipping to. If you're doing the e-packet countries, you can run through all those and see what your options are there. And I mean, that's about it, really. I mean, we took a look at the competitor ad. We can take a look at their product page too. And for example, we could see, okay, how can we improve this page, right? This is the page they were advertising on their ad. Now, note, I land here, I'm hit with a video, and then I have to scroll, and then I have to scroll, and then I have to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll to get to an add to cart button. That is a lot of scrolling to get all the way down here. And look at this, they're selling this for $39. That is an insane markup. Now, it looks like this comes with two, but even so, that is an insane markup for this product. But look at this, it's so easy to see how you can improve upon this. Already, by landing on this site, you have to scroll so far. You have to scroll so far just to get to an add to cart button. Let's see what we could do. Like, I click bestsellers. All right, now if I go directly to a product page, yeah, it's a different story. If I go directly to a product page, then there's my add to cart button. But it looks like they were sending people to the home page. Let me verify that. So let's go back to this ad. Now on this ad, if I click shop now, where does it send me? Yeah, it sends me to the home page. So this is not great. This is going to convert a lot less than if you were to land someone directly to a product page, because this requires a customer to land here, click bestsellers, click a product, then click add to cart. Or customer lands here, has to scroll, has to scroll, has to scroll, eventually lands onto an add to cart. Now, in the years I've been in e-commerce, I can tell you that this is going to kill your conversion for sure. Now, I'm not saying this website won't convert. I mean, it very clearly does. But this is not the best customer experience. So yeah, I mean, I think it's very easy to see how you could improve upon that person's website and honestly maybe even outsell them at one point just because your website flows a lot better and it converts more. Anyhow, that's it for this product. I'm not going to show the ad creatives. There is a video ad, thumbnail, and there's also a product description for the Shopify store, and ad creatives and interest targeting, but I'm saving those for our subscribers. So if you are a Web Trends Weekly member on either the monthly or annual plan, and you would like the ad creatives for this product in particular, then be sure to sign up to either our monthly or annual plan. And make sure you email me. So send an email to webtrendsweekly@gmail.com and mention this product. Say that you want the creatives for this product, and I will make sure that you get them. Right now, we are sending the previous 2 weeks of newsletters to new subscribers. So right now this does fall into that bucket. So if you subscribe to either the monthly or annual within the next week, you will actually get this product included. But if you subscribe a little bit later than that, but you still want this product, be sure to let me know. You have to contact me through email, and then I'll make sure you get everything that you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next product video.